All right, slight inconvenience. Church may have bought the wrong taillights. Cause
this is the only taillights.
Yeah. Oh. Church?
Hi.
Or is that church?
Fuck that.
Church, what are we installing on your car?
Ford Fusion, fucking stupid.
That's basically what he said, minus the you're fucking stupid.
All right, well,
part.
what are we installing on this bitch?
We have brake lights. So we have the main.
You mean fucking taillights?
Aren't those brake lights?
The brake lights are in the taillights. You're installing taillights
So
today,
we're
Church.
installing taillights.
All right, show the viewers your taillights.
This is the taillight.
No, the new ones. What do you got there? These are the new news?
This is the new news.
Oh, those are nice.
For real.
I like how they're like smoked out.
Church didn't tell me what to take off, so I'm just fucking taking shit off.
You're taking everything off.
The bumper?
Drops the whole
No.
fucking
We're taking
way.
out the bumper!
I take the trunk off, dog. GG's easy, we'll close the garage.
Is it clipped? Well, you also have this big fucking John on top of it.
Wait, someone just... You sold him this car?
Yeah, of course.
Damn. That's a shame.
I'm just kidding.
Nah.
If he swapped this car, it's gonna be
Look up
fucking
this fucking
lit as
shit, bro. I'm telling you, I don't think those bolts come out. Beautiful day.
Taking off this plastic. Church is full sending it. Church is working on his own car. Church, how's it feel? How's it feel? How's it feel, Church?
I don't want to.
Don't break it.
Break the fucking
Careful,
phone. Don't break
SpongeBob.
the fucking
Careful, SpongeBob. Full send it!
I can't.
Careful, SpongeBob! Full send. Come on. Pull!
You got it. Wait.
Don't. Oh, we got it off. Hold it up. Show the camera. Show them what you got for Christmas.
Hi.
It's plastic trim.
Hi.
Fuck that thing.
Yeah, dude. I thought you washed this car. Shit looks like shit.
You clean your asshole like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, asshole cleaner.
Should I give that a quick clean? before
No,
I-
fuck no. Full send.
Wondering if. Oh, I'm.
Beat it! Just beat
All right.
it!
I think I just tightened it.
Get the fuck out of here.
EJ, Lexus or Ford Fusion taillights?
They both suck.
All right, that's fair.
I had those needle nose again, I put them back.
What
Put them
drawer?
back. Like all the way back.
The big one.
Hertz broke it.
Okay, what's to do? What's to do, job?
You just push that side back.
Nope. You almost set it in, so I pulled it out for you. You know I'm not left-handed, guys. No shot. There's another piece.
Is it the emblem?
The bolts. You gotta come straight out with the bolts. That's why. You got it tilted. The emblem is held in. Those bolts. Possibly can't. I don't know what the camera's doing.
You sure we don't have to remove the emblem?
I feel like it's the emblem.
I think it's the emblem
problem.
too. Because if you're saying pull it straight out, the emblem is what's flexing. I mean, it is a Ford.
I don't know how the emblem comes out.
It's 2 bolts.
You guys need one more guy on this?
It is literally not being held on anything. It looks like it's on. It's wiggling. It's
Oh,
wiggling.
oh.
It's wiggling.
Hey!
was clipped to the fucking end.
Hold it up.
Let me see.
Show the class.
No clips.
It wasn't clipped? Or it was taped?
It was taped.
Church, that's a clean look, dog. That's nice.
What a fucking bitch.
I like how big this looks. It almost looks like a big mouth bass.
Oh, yeah. That's like the glue that's underneath that.
So we have to move the wires over.
Harness has to come with.
All right, let's play a game called What's in Church's Glove Box. Holy shit. What's this? That's a wireless car charger. That's a AAA kit. He's got a whole bunch of stickers. Follow Church. He's got a tire patch kit. These zip ties, he's got zip ties. He has a warranty brochure in his car. Look at this. This is the warranty brochure for his car. That's hilarious. He has what looks like more stickers. He has I guess this is a receipt. Oh, this is his tint window receipt. Manual, owner's manual. He's got more receipts in here. A parking thing, I don't know. That's probably for work. More stuff. That's pretty much it. That's all he's got in here. All right.
You weren't in the hole.
The fuck is that?
Mouse poop.
Mouse poop.
What?
Custom fitted.
You take that ratchet.
Yeah, but now you got a custom made car.
Oh, I think.
Ain't nobody got these on the streets. Maybe because nobody drives a Ford Fusion.
Facts. Besides my grandma. I think I got blood on every car here.
Probably.
This was supposed to be at home. No. Sitting in my warm
See how
room,
this one's facing out?
talking to Roger, hanging out with the dog. No. Said I'm here working on a fucking Ford Fusion. Someone tell me why I do this again?
Stina!
There's a penis in your butt. See this? Fucking junk. Look at this plasti dip job, bro. Looks like he's blind.
This man can't see. EJ, give me an impression of Church when he's playing Call of Duty and getting shot at.
Ow. Hold on.
Well, you're not going to see it because now it's just blinking. You missed it.
Oh.
But the yellow goes across.
Yeah.
Oh, that one's doing it.
It looks dope as shit.
Yeah, this side's not doing it. He probably doesn't have it all plugged in correctly. I don't know. All right, slight inconvenience. Church may have bought the wrong taillights. Cause
This is the only taillights.
yeah, oh. They're not like fitting in correctly. Yeah, see the connectors are totally different. Like it fits a little flush.
Just a little harness.
Church, I think that looks good.
Like I want to push on it, but I just don't want to.
Very nice. Church, are you putting on spats?
Shut up. Yes.
You like the spats?
Yeah. It'll look nice when I get the side skirt.
Side skirt's coming soon. But you got the spats. Oh, good, buddy. I like them. I like how they match your lip, you know? Albania. Albania.